Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday afternoon. It's not hot, no sun, not raining, and we're gonna move around our veggie garden and tie up my tomatoes because they're falling down and put in a stick. So, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna rearrange everything because everything needs to be rearranged. So when I am done, I will show you the tour of what I have and what they look like. You want to come help? You can come help. But I can stay around the grass. That's what I thought that you were going to do. Alright, I think it's not moving. I think we're good. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you can hear me because Lexington obviously is cutting the grass at the wrong time. But, so what I did, I moved all my tomatoes so I can have better spacing between them. And I pruned them. This one obviously has 2 tomato plants in 1 container. I'm pretty sure that one is gonna die. But this is the main one. And then I pruned everything from the bottom so they can get a little bit stronger. I do use this, I forgot what's the name of this, but I use this better because I get able to not tighten it and loosen it up as I please. So I did all the pruning. Some of them already has flowers. Some of them already have like little baby tomatoes. So I did go in and pruned. See, this one has a lot of flowers and a lot of baby tomatoes already in there. So this one has another plant underneath growing, but it's also blooming. So does that one. These are just flowers. It's just I put seedling of flowers in that one just to get, you know, bees to come into my territory so they can flower my tomatoes. Here is my sweet potatoes, and they're doing beautifully. Some of them I thought they were gonna die, but they came back to life. They have new leaves, thank God. And then I put the trellis so it can just climb up, catch on, and do its thing for my sweet potato. This is actually for my beans, but it's not time for beans yet. So I put all the tomatoes on this side. All the yellow containers over here still are empty. They don't have anything. The red one is still empty. So maybe I can transplant one of the duplicate tomato plants once it becomes a little bit stronger. Like that one has 2 plants in it. That one has 2 plants in it. So if it becomes a little bit stronger, maybe I can transplant them into that red bucket. But usually all the red buckets right now have peppers. FYI, don't ask me what kind of peppers. I don't know. Oh, look at this. Look at Chipmunk. Hey, Chipmunk. And not sure what kind of pepper. They could be hot peppers. It could be regular peppers. My sister Malanga plant is growing. She says it's Malanga. I gotta wait and see. So when I dig it up, this is full of strawberries, and from the look of it, I only got 1 out. I think these are not. This is nothing. I don't think this is anything. I'm not sure what this is. It's too tiny for me to tell. That's actually the seed. It's kind of sad. I did put that tomato in there to see if it regrows. I don't think this is anything. I still got some seedlings of like tomato and peppers. So far they've been okay. I gotta water them. This is more tomatoes. Another pepper, but I'm not sure if it's hot pepper or because my tags fell off. Worst thing in the world. More seedlings here that did not grow. More seedlings that are trying to grow. I think I just messed up because one of these is cucumbers and one is carrots seeds. So yeah, and this is a ginger root. Then I have more peppers here growing in my little tower. Pepper, cucumber. I think that's cucumber. More cucumber. So the cucumbers are coming out. I think that's strawberry actually. But here's another cucumber. I did pour more in here, but it doesn't look like. I want to say this is not anything. I did put strawberries in here. But my strawberry, oh wait, I got one strawberry right here. Another strawberry right here. This is nothing. I don't think that's anything. You know, I'm a newbie at this, so I don't know if I'm actually pulling good stuff or bad stuff. But I think that's strawberry, I think. So I'm going to water these right now because there's no sun. And some of it looks really dry. I wanted to separate my tomatoes because I know the tomatoes, the less you water, I think the better it is because of their roots. Campbell's all the way down there cutting the grass. Here's my potatoes. And obviously, I think we're doing good because we have lots of flowers growing in. So that's always good. I'm not sure what's that other stuff growing in. And here is more potatoes and more flowers coming in. So that's a good thing. That's a good sign. So I'm going to water everything. I don't want to get you wet. So I separated the tomatoes because like today, I am gonna water the tomato plants, but like tomorrow I'm not gonna water the tomato plants. I am going to water just the peppers tomorrow and the seedlings because I know for a fact that they won't need water tomorrow if I water them today. I am watering them today because some of them I did play around with the dirt. I stuck the sticks in there and I trimmed them. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the update on my garden. If you like watching these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye guys.